What's going on, everyone, and thank you for joining me and my YouTube fitness travel vlog. So I want to thank you guys for checking out that last video, like and subscribe. Remember, the giveaway is still going on and it's actually 4 days away. That's it, 4 days away, guys. Go and like and subscribe, or actually just go and like that first giveaway video for a chance to win that Apple Watch and money and fitness apparel. All right? So actually, just go right now. Just pause this video, go and like that first video. Alright, so now that you guys like that video, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that alert button to this video so you guys are notified right when I post. Alright, so today's topic, we are talking about exercises to strengthen your hips. Alright, this is so crucial for athletes, and not only athletes, people that do workouts that consist of body weight or holding weight, right? So your hips functions pretty much to hold your weight, right? So for squatting and stuff like that, you have to have good hips. And going into my football season, I had horrible hips, like horrible. Granted, I came into the season injured, so right away I had to do therapy and stuff like that, but getting right back on the field too quick, I noticed that my hips were just awful. So the past couple years, I've been taking the actual steps to get my right leg strong as my right, or my right leg strong as my left. And not only that, but to actually incorporate hip exercises. And I've noticed that doing hip workouts, my speed, my strength and power and squats just skyrocket. So here's my pre-workout routine for hips. I hope you guys enjoy. And remember to like and subscribe. You guys have 4 days. That's it. 4 days. All right? Go and get it.